Okay, first add an sphere to the scene, then change the type to hexadrone, add it inside the subdivision surface, add the plane, come to asset browser, search for axes, drag and drop axis under plane, change the axis X to positive 100, on the plane change the width and height segment to 3, change the width to 2500, change the height to 800, ND on the scene to see the segments, put the plane inside the remesher. Now our segments are more evenly distributed. Put the remesh inside the subdivision surface, change the subdivision viewport and render to 4, add the displacer deformer inside this null. On the displacer deformer, come to shading, add the noise here, open the noise, change the noise type to sema, change the global scale to 250, change the movement X to 1, speed to 0.01, click on displacer again, come to object tab, change the height to 4, put the null inside the subdivision surface, save the file for now, I will call it sunset v1.1. Now let's add a material, open material manager, add a material, select RSS standard, change the weight for base color to 0, reflection to 0, come down to emission, change the weight to 2, add a ramp node here, ramp, select RSS standard again, add the emission color as an input here, connect the ramp to color here. On the ramp, change this white to a red color, change the black to a yellow color, drag the red closer to the yellow color, add this to the sphere, add the camera to the scene, add a null to the scene, alt 0 on the camera, add the target tag on the camera, drag and drop null to the target object here, push out the camera, add a panel here, change the camera to RS camera, on the camera change the focal length to 120, place the camera where you're happy with the result. You can also move the camera and the null together. For now, I'm happy about this. On this new panel, come to view, use as render view. Now open RS render view, hit on play. As you can see, the projection for the material is not correct. So click on the material on the sphere, come to projection, change it to flat. Also, you can open the material again, come to ramp, change the position for these nuts until you are happy about the gradient on this sound. That's good for now. Save the file. Add another material, open it, change the weight for the base color to 0, change the weight for IOR to 3, change the roughness to 0, add this to the plane, and as you can see, our scene is ready, and it is also animated. You can play the scene, and on each frame you get different reflection result on the ocean. Don't forget that the final project file is in the description. You can download and play around with it. And if you are new to Cinema 4D and you want to know how to use metaball generator with volume builder to get halftone effect, I highly recommend you to watch this video.